Hello, myself Abhishek Bhumik. I am assistant professor of Chemistry Technology. So this is our applied mechanics lab. So in here I want to explain the Charpy and isotope test. This is basically an impact testing machine. So in impact testing machine there is two types of test. One is Charpy and another one is isotope. In Charpy we use the U notch and the isotope we use V notch. So this is the reading scale. So in this scale, where material is put in this sample plate, then after this mark will down, then this scale will automatically up, and here we show how much energy will produced in this to break this plate. And this is here you see this is the lever. Where I put this lever, this hammer will down and material will break. So, and this is the handle where after breaking we can stop this pendulum. Okay, so now we start our experiment. So let's see this. Okay, so first you see this scale is here. This position. Now after it's dropping down, then you can see what is changes in this ball. Okay, so just follow this process like this. We choose this and this pendulum will drop. Then we can slowly. Okay. So in this case, we see this material will broke. Here we can see this material will broke after testing. So this is the simple demonstration in impact testing machine. Impact testing is very important to check material properties. Okay, thank you very much for seeing this video.